Hello, Dr. Lu. Welcome to my presentation. Today we would like to talk about Java thread. Java is multi-threaded programming language, which means we can develop multi-threaded program using Java. A multi-threaded program contains two or more parts that can run concurrently, and each part can handle a different task at the same time, making optimal use of the available resources, especially when your computer has multiple CPUs. By definition, multitasking is when multiple processes share common processing sources such as a CPU. Multi-threading extends the idea of multitasking into applications where you can subdivide specific operations within a single application into individual threads. Each of the threads can run in parallel. The OS divides processing time not only among different applications but also among each thread within an application. We can synthesize by two different ways, such as runnable interface and thread extension. If your class is intended to be executed as a thread, then you can achieve this by implementing a runnable interface. You will need to follow three basic steps. Step 1 is as a first step, you need to implement a run method provided by a runnable interface. You will need to follow this method provides an entry point for the thread, and you will put your complete business logic inside this method. Following is a simple syntax in the of the run method. The public void run this one. Then step 2, as a second step, you will instantiate a thread object using the following constructor. This thread runnable thread object string thread name, where thread object is an instance of a class that implements the runnable interface, and thread name is the name given to the name thread. Now step 3. Once a thread object is created, you can start it by calling start method, which executes a call to run method. Following is a simple syntax of start method. The void start. Now let me go through the source code. Here is the runnable interface. Here the run method where thread start method invoke. Now let me run the program. Here is the output. Now create a thread by extending a thread class. The second way to create a thread is to create a new class that extends thread class using the following two simple steps. This approach provides more flexibility in handling multiple threads created using available methods in thread class. Step 1. You will need to override run method available in thread class. This method provides an entry point for the thread. You will put your complete business logic inside this method. Following is a simple syntax of run method. The public void run. Step 2. Once thread object is created, you can start it by calling start method, which executes a call to run method. Following is a simple syntax of start method, void start. Now let me go through the source code. So here is the thread extension. Here is the run method. When thread start method invoke. Now let me run the program. This is the output of the program. Thank you, Dr. Lu, for watching the video.